Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Ansari Muslim. I am a college student from Banjarmasin State Polytechnic. Meet me on the same YouTube channel. So in this video, I will give tutorial how to add chat engine. So for those who not subscribe this channel, I give time to subscribe this channel because it is free. 1, 2, 3. Already, let's go to the tutorial. Chat engine is software which can change the number, whether binary, decimal, or hexadecimal. So, in other words, this software can change money, diamond, gold, coins, or anyone else on the game. It is certainly a good sign for gamers who want instant result, but unfortunately, this software can only use it on those offline games and cannot use it on online games. And on this occasion, I will be practicing on Plant vs Zombie games. First, please make sure you have installed chat engine software. If not, download this software in link chatengine.org/download.php. Next, install it, and next, open chat engine. And also open the Plant vs Zombie games. Next, enter in the game. And move to the chat engine. Click File. Click Open Process. And click or select Plant vs Zombie and open. Next, fill in the value, fill 50, and click first scan. Next, move to the game. And buy sunflower, so that's 0 of sun. Next, move to the chat engine and fill 0 and click next scan. Select all or Ctrl A and click the arrow and select all. Next, enter. Fill 9999. Okay. Click active. So, see the game. The sun is 999. And congrats, the sun is full charged without sunflower collect. And next stage of the game, do the something because there is a change in memory. So, happy play the game. And warning, do not close chat engine when game is running. How is that easy, right? So the use of chat engine here is for education. If you ask chat engine too often, it will eliminate soul of gamers. How about my video? Please like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.